Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas, and it is August the 16th on a Wednesday, and still seeing some selling pressure on the market. You can see now we've closed below all of our major moving averages, except the 200 down here. But of our shorter term averages, we broke the 50 yesterday, and seeing a little gap down this morning. So you have to beware, and when conditions get like this, you have to do less as far as swing trading. You got to look for better entries, and there's nothing wrong with not doing anything. But let's still take a look at today at some possible nice setups. I'm gonna stick mostly with earnings. Let's go with this NU. It did have earnings. It looks like yesterday after the close. And you can see there it is gapping up out of this range or trying to get out of this range. So keep an eye on this NU. If it can't hold that, 830 level, it could be a gap and go, but just keep an eye definitely on that NU. HR block is another one, earnings play. Yesterday after the close, it is gapping above this 200 day. So that's an impressive gap. See if it can hold up and defend that 200-day moving average and that HR block. TJX, I believe it is another earnings play. Had it this morning in pre-market, gapping up out of a range. All-time high this would be. Don't like chasing all-time high when you have the selling pressure in the market, but nonetheless, you definitely want to keep an eye on, watch for volume. Last one here is VRT. I cannot remember. I don't think this is an earnings play, but I do like the setup. You had a nice move after earnings, tried to move higher, pulled back, and now it's defending this 10-period moving average. So that VRT is potentially explosive a move there, but keep an eye on the backdrop of the market. All right, guys, that's it. Have a great one. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.